Hello, I'm Lilia from Ditch the Diet, and I will show you today how to detox in an easy and simple way. Lemon water detox. It is an easy and effective way to detoxify your body. So, what you should do? You should drink two 16 ounces glasses of water on empty stomach after you wake up, squeezing half of fresh lemon into each glass. So what exactly is going to happen after you drink lemon water? The lemon juice activates the water, making it better able to flush the toxins out from your body. This is especially effective for cleansing your liver. I like that part. After you drink the lemon water, give your liver half an hour just to clean up nicely, and then after that you can have your breakfast. So if you make this into a routine, your health will improve dramatically over time. So if you would like to even more detoxification, then add a teaspoon of raw honey and a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger to the lemon water. So your liver will draw in the honey to restore its glucose reserves. So, and purging at the same time deep toxins to make room. So, ready for a detox? My 48-hour body reset detox is simple to follow. There's no starvation, I promise you. I don't like starvations. So my detox contains amazing, easy and delicious to make recipes. I've had a lot of women all around the world lost their inches from the thighs and waist. They reduce hot flashes, they got more energy and younger looking skin. Who doesn't want that, right? So just download the 48-hour detox for free today and start feeling amazing because you deserve it. Just click the link that below this video, and don't forget to give me a thumb up if you like the information, okay? I see you at the detox area. Bye-bye for now.